a new day and it's Sunday. Happy Sunday from wherever you're watching this. I don't know which day you're going to watch this video. Well, happy Sunday, and today I'm preparing for church and I want to show you guys what I am wearing to church. Ta-da! Okay, this clothes belongs to my mom. My mom is late, so this clothes belongs to her, and I love to wear her clothes every time I miss her or Mama. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hello.
Hello, bye. Slime.
What's that?
It's little slime.
Okay. So I just want to show you guys. This is Iran Buba. Lots of times when I miss my mom, this is what I go to. I should open it. Don't open it yet. Wait. Mama, I want to talk, okay? So, like I said, this is... Mama, can you...
Hello.
Everybody has seen you, okay?
Hello.
Say welcome to my mommy's channel.
Welcome to Mommy's channel.
Oh, yeah, calm down. Okay. Mama, I want to talk. Don't distract me, okay? Don't disturb me. So, this clothes belongs to my mom, and I love to wear my mom's clothes a lot. Especially on days I miss her. It makes me feel comforted and it reminds me of her and her presence. So let me know in the comment section if you can rock your late parents' clothes, either your mother or your father. For me, it makes me feel great. Mama, wait, hold on. For me, it makes me feel great. It makes me feel like she's still around me, and it comforts me. Yeah.
Everyone is so loud. I just want a little bit of peace and quiet. Keep it quiet. Give me a sense of direction. Give me some time for introspection. 'Cause I need to keep on going. I need to keep on going. I need to be a forward thinker. Don't give me what I want, just give some time for introspection. Give me a sense of direction. Give me a sense of direction. Give me a sense, give me a sense, give me a sense of forward motion. We need to keep on going. We need to keep on going. We need to be forward thinkers.